based on blood donation. Hakadika, long the time Kjgp, Panero, Nakabanta, Kilo Jingdonkam, and Ray, Hakabamantagasni, Kadesh Pangjong, Jingai Snam, Nakalegajuna, Sngewbha, jingïatreilang Piboro, Balaiwan, Nakabanta.
And it's a student. So, from the college principal, I would like to welcome everyone.
Nongstoiñ. Thank you, Kjgp, population.
Program and blood donation, lyngba ibadah, Lucretia.
Firstly, before I begin with the awareness, I would just like to thank of 100% voluntary blood donors, okay, voluntary blood donation. So encouraging regular voluntary blood donation strengthens the healthcare system and save many lives. Nongstoiñ for organizing this awareness program, okay. So through this awareness today, I want you all to
take care of my lady, come kaya koit khiah, but come sngewbha come discreet di rumah di rocks di Pynlong maganda jauhi kanyo ada kata kajimpa jingioh berkurang nang Pynlong pinongting ban ai ya kesna ke jauhi ada kan lepas banyak kaba koit khiah pinongting pinong shakhmat ban shakhmat namasya bin ai Snam jong biru di dokter ini saya lupa ada yang yang Snam ini ke pynshai kyntu ya Snam jong biru di dawan kita cek ke Snam jong biru yang anak pemerintah ai samla itu lagi namasya bin Snam di dokter ini cek lupa ya Snam jong biru